Let's see the example number exercise question number 2. That is, find the locus of a point that moves at a constant distance of 2 units from the x-axis and 3 units from the y-axis. This is the question. So here I think directly we can find out without taking the points h comma k, because it's a very simple one. So first subdivision, you see 2 units from the x-axis. So we can consider this one x-axis, this is y-axis, y dash, this is x dash. So first you see 2 units from x-axis. This is the x-axis. So we can take here 1, 2. So suppose this is the point x is equal to y is equal to 2. So this point we can take, which is 2 units from the x-axis. So this is the line, this is the locus of this one, that is locus of the point which is 2 units from the x-axis. So this line represents y is equal to 2, because at the point y this distance is 2. So from the x-axis 2 units, that is also representing one line. That line's equation is y is equal to 2. So for the first subdivision, 2 units from the x-axis, that is, which is nothing but y is equal to 2, which is the locus of, which is the equation of the locus of the point, which is 2 units from the x-axis. Come to the second subdivision, 3 units from y-axis. So similarly we can draw another graph, or in the same we can try. So this is x-axis, y-axis, you see 3 units from y-axis. So this is y, so 3 units, so you can take, this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, something is going on like this. So 3 units means let us assume that this is the point 3 units from x-axis, that is the distance is 3. So here, so we can take like this line. So this line, here are many points which lies 3 units from the x-axis. So definitely we can take this one. So this line represents x is equal to 3, because this is the line which is parallel to y-axis. So we have to represent it by x is equal to a, that formula only. So here the distance is 3. So we have to represent this line by x is equal to 3. Similarly here it is 2 units from the x-axis. So automatically it lies on the y-axis and which is parallel to the x-axis. So we have to represent this by the general formula y is equal to b, some that like that we have to represent. So here the distance is 2, so we are representing it as y is equal to 2, here x is equal to 3. So in the second subdivision our answer is x is equal to 3. So this is the equation of the locus of the point, which is 3 units from y-axis. This is the answer.